Hello everyone. Welcome to Priyanka Rattawa show. First of all, thank you to each one of you for the lovely birthday wishes. आप सभी ने पूछा था कि मैंने बर्थडे कैसे सेलिब्रेट किया, तो ये वीडियो आप सबके लिए है। This is midnight Holi celebration.
Aarushi.
होली खेलने के बाद एक छोटा सा केक कटिंग at 12 o'clock.
Hey, Priyanka, come on. At 12 o'clock, happy birthday to you.
Wow!
It's cake for you.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday. You. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Priyanka. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, dear people. Happy birthday.
Hello, must be called. Hello. Healthy, fit, love.
Mira birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. You like this?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I'm very thankful to God for blessing me with such a beautiful family. And then next morning I got my gift.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Priyanka.
Happy birthday.
My birthday gift. And then the evening celebration.
Aarushi हाथ पकड़ ले. Trust Aarushi. Nothing will happen.
तीनों ने ढेर सारी सरप्राइजेस अरेंज की थी. रियली बहुत ही मजा आया.
Crowd is coming up. Going down. Sorry. Let me come straight. Don't open your eyes. Don't open your eyes. Don't open your eyes. Don't open them. Don't open them. Just be like that. And stay there. Don't do anything.
आरुषि तो super excited. हर एक्टिविटी में she was leading. Shopping, balloons and everything. So proud of you, Aru. Thank you, Shriji, Mummy and Aru for loving and caring so much. Love you all.
2 and 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Priyanka. Happy birthday to you.
This is a card from Aarushi. One is the bracelet. Hi. Happy birthday. You want me and everyone.
Happy birthday.
Balloon surprise. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
To you, dear Priyanka. Happy birthday.
to you.
उसके बाद हम डिनर के लिए पौंडीचेरी रेस्टोरेंट गए. It's one of the most popular restaurant in Houston. Food was good. The appetizer and desserts were awesome. And that's all from my birthday. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो. मेरी तरफ से आप सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thanks for watching.